Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iOS users have reported recently that their iPhone unable to checking for iOS update, taking long time for downloading process, reaching the server failed and stuck on the update screen motionless. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Check if Apple server is down. The first thing you need to do if your iPhone is unable to checking for update is to check if the Apple server is down. You should visit the Apple system status web page. If the server status is yellow, that means there are some issue with the server and that's why the update is not showing up. You can contact the Apple support, but they will also ask you to wait for some time until the server becomes active again. If the status symbol is green, that means everything is fine with the server and you have to check for another problem that might be causing the issue. Solution 2. Check network connection. The network connection also plays a very big role while checking for the update. If the network signal strength is weak, then there are chances that checking for update get stuck. So check the Wi-Fi connection and also plug in the charger. Disconnect the Wi-Fi and reconnect it after a few seconds and see if the problem is resolved. Solution 3. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 4. Reset network settings. To do this, open Settings app. Next, find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. Solution 5. Reboot your iPhone. To reboot, launch the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Shutdown. Drag the slide to power off slider to right side to turn off your device. Then wait for a few seconds and turn your device back on. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.